Hello, welcome to Pawsuasive Dog Teaching. We're going to do some tricks in the snow, or at least try to. Ruby's all rambunctious. We just got up, so she got all the energy. Ruby, come here. Lay down. Lay down. Lay. Good girl. Good girl. Crawl. Up. Crawl. Well, I'm getting dizzy. Alright, she don't want to do the crawl, which I don't blame her. Lay down. Roll over. Roll back over the other way. Good girl. Easy taking the treats, though. You don't need to take off Dad's fingers. Can you dance? Oh, she stole the treat right out of my hand. You're a professional treat thief today, huh? Give me a good dance. Good girl, good girl, good girl. Now, give me a pretty. That's not good enough, though. No, sit pretty. Easy, 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 easy. Get it! Good girl, good girl. Ever seen a dog lip sync before? Ruby, watch. Ruby. Good girl. That's kind of a weak lip sync, but she usually does it better. Ruby, lay down. Lay. Crawl. Yeah. What sort of crawl was that? Oh, Blaze is trying to nip at her back. Ruby, can you take a bow? Ruby, take a bow. Good girl, good girl. Well, if you think it's awesome Ruby doing tricks in the snow, please give this video a thumbs up, share us up on Facebook, Pawsuasive Dog Teaching, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Ain't that right, Ruby Doo? Yeah, she says subscribe, help us out. We would appreciate the support.